Yes, hello everyone. Welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm telling you married couples that it's not all the time that you have to open your mouth. There are periods when you have to be silent. When silence is your best weapon. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Hit on the notifications bell as well, so that every time I post a video you get notified. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. You want to know when to be silent in your marriage? Number 1, be silent in the heat of anger. When you see your partner very angry, like a furnace, at this point whatever you say will just increase the anger. Whether it is good or bad, just keep quiet. Just be silent. Number 2, be silent when you don't have all the facts. Don't talk about something that you are not sure about because you've been gossiping with someone about it. Then you come to your husband or to your wife and start talking about something you don't have the facts about. First, be sure with the facts. Number 3, be silent when you have verified the story. Do you know why? Because you can't change anything. It happened already. Just learn from it. Number 4, be silent if you know and you realize that your words will affect the weaker partner. Just keep quiet until you figure out and find the best choice of words to talk about this issue. Number 5, be silent when it's time to listen. Do not talk instead of listening. Listening is a very powerful tool in a relationship and in marriage. When it's time to listen, be silent. You won't lose anything. You will just gain from it. Number 6, be silent when it involves your in-laws. Completely be silent. Wait for them to chill, to go, or to excuse themselves. Then you can slowly and easily tackle the issue with your husband. If need be, your husband will be the one to sort issues out with them. For you, they will misunderstand whatever you try to say, because that is what they want to do, though they don't know that that's what they want to do. Be silent. Number 7, be silent when you are tempted to joke about sin. If something is sinful, don't joke about it. Just be silent. Number 8, be silent when you know that what you're going to say is shameful. If you are not sure if it's shameful or not, don't say it. Just be silent. Because once you say something, you can't take it back. Be silent. Even if you are in a group of women or men talking about their marriages, talking about their bedroom secrets, be silent. Number 9, be silent if your words will convey a wrong message, if your words will be misunderstood and misinterpreted. We all know when your words will be misinterpreted. Be silent. Don't go talking about the things you're not supposed to talk about with the people you're not supposed to talk about them with. Just decide to keep quiet. Number 10, be silent if the issue is none of your business. Some people don't have the moral obligation to comment about certain things. Some people, it's completely and also none of your business to talk about something. So, decide to keep quiet. Decide to be silent about it. You cannot start commenting about why your neighbor is always eating greens or is always cooking posho. It's none of your business. Stay out of it. Talk about the things that you are supposed to talk about. And those you're not supposed to talk about, be silent. Number 11, be silent when you are tempted to lie. Do not lie. Whenever you feel like the lie is trying to come out of your mouth, you know it starts in your brain. Keep quiet, don't say it. Because one lie will lead to another lie and you will have to make another 1,000 lies to support this other one lie. So, in order not to put yourself in that situation, be silent. Number 12, be silent when your words are going to damage another person's reputation. You know that what you're saying is wrong about someone. Maybe it's right, but you don't know the reasons why it happened the way it happened. Be silent about it. If you need to, talk to the person themselves and find the facts, especially your partner, your spouse. Number 13, be silent if your words will damage a good friendship between your spouse and another person. You don't know where they met. You don't know why they are friends. Maybe that friendship is beneficial to your marriage as well. So, before you ruin a good friendship, mind your words. Be silent if you know that your words are going to damage a good friendship between your spouse and another person. Number 14, whenever you feel critical and negative, be silent. Always speak positivity into your marriage and into your spouse's life. Whenever you feel the other way around, decide to keep quiet. Be silent. Number 15, if you can't say it calmly, if you can't say it without shouting or screaming, be silent. Don't say it at all. You won't lose anything. First, keep quiet, get your calm, then find the right words to use to say it. Number 16, be silent if the words that you are going to speak are going to be of a poor, bad reflection of your marriage, of your family, and of your children. Decide to be silent. You know you can talk yourself out of good things. You can talk yourself out of marriage. You can talk yourself out of favor if your words are going to post a bad reflection of your marriage and family. Number 17, be silent if you will have to want to explain and change your words later. If you are not sure of what to say and where to say it and how to say it, be silent about it. Do not say it. You will end up regretting it. If you know and in your heart of hearts you feel that saying this thing might lead me into trouble with my neighbors, with my husband, with my children, with my in-laws, with my husband's friends, keep quiet. Number 18, be silent if you have already said it more than once. You don't have to prove anything. If it's true, it will shine light on itself. It will prove itself. If you've already said it more than once, don't say it. Just be silent. Number 19, be silent when you are tempted to flatter a wicked person, even if it's your spouse. If you know your spouse is a bad person, a cheater, someone who is unfaithful, a liar, a bad person, a narcissist, a selfish person, and you feel you are tempted to flatter that person, be silent about it. Keep quiet. Because one day you will need defense, and people around you will say, but you said this. You get it? So be silent. Do not say things that you will regret later because you are tempted to flatter this person. Number 20. Be silent when you are supposed to be working instead. You are supposed to be doing laundry or cooking. You are supposed to be doing homework with your children. You're supposed to be attending to your home, to your house. And you are at the neighbor's place talking and gossiping and talking about everyone in the village. Cheap talk. Be silent about it. Because if you don't do it now, later in the evening when the kids need to eat, tomorrow when the kids need to go home with their done homework, when you need to have clean laundry, you won't have clean. Be silent when it's time to work. Remember, whosoever guards his mouth and tongue keeps his soul from troubles. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. If you would like to purchase any of our products, go to noraarake.com/shop and like this video, share it, and leave me a comment in the comment section.